Hey there! Welcome back to my channel R2 Key Money Mind, where we discuss all things related to personal finance and wealth building. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to make your kids rich in life. Now, before we get started, I want to emphasize that there's no guaranteed way to make your children rich, but there are some things you can do to help them build a solid foundation for their future financial success. First and foremost, it's important to teach your children the value of money. You can start by giving them an allowance and encouraging them to save a portion of it regularly. This will help them understand the importance of budgeting and saving money for the future. In addition, it's essential to educate your children on personal finance concepts like credit, interest rates, taxes, and financial planning. This will help them make informed decisions about money and avoid common financial pitfalls. Another way to make your kids rich in life is to encourage education and skill building. Encourage your children to pursue education and skill-building activities that will increase their earning potential and help them achieve financial independence. This could include pursuing a degree in a high-demand field or learning a valuable trade. Furthermore, teaching your children entrepreneurship is an excellent way to help them develop valuable skills and potentially create a source of income. Encourage your children to explore entrepreneurship and start their own businesses. Finally, lead by example. Be a good financial role model for your children by managing your money responsibly and making smart financial decisions. This will help them learn by watching you, and it will make the process of building wealth a family affair. So there you have it, folks. These are some tips on how to make your kids rich in life. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but by providing your children with a strong financial foundation and encouraging them to pursue their passions and interests, you can help set them up for long-term financial success. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance and wealth building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.